welcome, Mr. Boom here, and in this video we're gonna share our gold weekly analysis. That means we are going to break down the key levels of the market, trend line and entry points. Okay, and firstly we need to analyze the market weekly time frame, then we will analyze with daily time frame to make the market direction, is it buy or sell for next week. Okay, then we will find the entry point like in H4, H1 and other time frame. Okay, so let's get back into the chart, and as you can see there, market is on strong bullish momentum from last few months, and after the Donald Trump comes in the power, and market just started to go up strongly. Okay, and as we share our last week analysis, that means technical analysis on gold, as you can see there. Sorry, okay, let's make it little bit smaller or zoom out a little bit more. And if we share our last week analysis, that means last week we made analysis on resistance trend line, and we explained that the trend line make a breakout and there is possible to go buy, and in this week market was gone buy for a long while. Like it's like let me check how much pips over here. Here is almost 970 to 80 pips movement on last week. That means there is a big movement in last week, and let's see the market momentum or market movement. Okay, so if we see current market situation or current market position, as you can see there, already trend line make a breakout over here, and if we try to make all-time high, that means all-time high resistance zone from gold. Okay, that is around 2788, and market is around 277. That means there is almost 170 to 80 pips more up than current market situation. Okay, so we may demonstrate that market is on buy. That means weekly candle saying that market is going to buy or going to make another green candle for the upcoming week. There is another confirmation, that means that is 3 black row candles to confirm that will go buy. Okay, and if we try to make a support area like that area, as you can see there, if we make that in multiple zone, let me draw that. Okay, if we try to draw a rectangle over here, as you can see there, market is trying to make another buy over from here, because this support zone is break, and maybe it will go give us a pullback again, it will go buy. Okay, so weekly candle confirm that market will go buy for the next week. Let's make it daily time frame. As you can see there, as we made an weekly time frame support zone, as you can see there, there is also showing that market is going to buy for the next week. Okay, if we try to draw another trend line over here like that one, let me remove previous one. Okay, so this trend line completely show that market is going buy. Okay, let me remove previous all of them, and as you can see there, just this resistance zone, that means resistance trend line, confirm that market make a bullish breakout, and it just give us a simple or small pullback and going buy again. Okay, so for that daily time frame, that means day 1 time frame, market confirmed that market is going to move bullish for the next week. Okay, so let's make it for H4 time frame. So if we see the H4 time frame, let's remove all of the previous drawing, and if we want to try to draw a trend line over here, as you can see there, maybe it's around that area. Okay, let's see. As you can see there, in H4 time frame, market is on bullish breakout. That means market may be going to buy again for the next week. Okay, in H4 time frame. So overall, weekly time frame, daily time frame and H4 time frame, market confirm that market will go bullish or buy. Okay, and if we zoom in little bit more, and if we want to try to draw Fibonacci retracement over the area or in this area, like if we want to draw around that area, Okay, that area, as you can see there, market, as we previously as we said, this is a support zone, and market just moving around the area, or it just trying to go up, or it just push down and fail it to go back, and again it just go up. Okay, and there is the another resistance area, that means Fibonacci retracement resistance area. So it does that and again go down. Maybe it is going to touch again our this area. Okay, this support area. Okay, it may touch again this support area and again go by. It may do that. So you may ask me, Mr. Boom, where is our, let me remove the Fibonacci retracement, and you may ask me, Mr. Boom, where is our buy area, or where we can buy? So if I suggest a safe place to go buy, it should be around that area. That means that area, let me make it yellow. It should be around that area, and our SL should be under this area. Okay, around this area our SL should be this area. Okay, and our TP should be our next Fibonacci retracement level. That means, let me draw it again. If we draw it again, like if we take here to here, okay, let me make it more accurate, as you can see there. Okay, if we draw it here, so you may take your TP level around 2811 or 2800 or 2810. Okay, and our next Fibonacci retracement level, and if we draw it around that area, okay, that area, you may see the same level. Okay, okay, you may take this area, that means this area for your TP. Okay, and this is the this is for only for long traders, that means long-term traders who want to take long entry. Okay, and if we see H4 bar or M30 or M15 entry, let remove all of previous drawing, and if we see that, as you can see there is a trend line. I'm sorry, there is a trend line, and there is a trend line, or there is a trend line. You may take entry around that area on M30 time frame, and your SL should be below this area, and your TP should be near this area. Okay, there is 1:3 risk reward ratio. Here is risk, here is reward. Okay, risk reward ratio. So if your SL is 50 pips, your TP should be 150 pips. Okay, this is the simple trading strategy, and the sum of this video is we was analyze the market, or we are analyzing the market, and we got the result. Market will be move on buy. Maybe market is going to move on buy for the next week, and we will update the market data or market structure each and every moment on our free Telegram channel. If you new on our YouTube channel, you may join our public Telegram channel t.me/fxbillionhub. Hopefully all things clear now. For more query or for free signal, free chart analysis, free news analysis in every time, or real-time market data update, you may join our public Telegram channel t.me/fxbillionhub. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.